really welcome to sing along. Even if you don't know it, you're really welcome to sing along. All of these ghost towns I keep traveling through. All of these traffic signs and lonesome bars blindside me and you. I swear I can be better. I could be more to you. But there are things that lie in my path that I just have to do. You got visions of the past, let them follow you down, for they'll come back to you someday. And I found myself attached to this railroad track, but I'll come back to you someday. To you, to you, to you. Someday. And I remember how you told me all that you wanted to do. That dream of Paris in the morning or an Amsterdam window view. See it, now you're married and your wife is with a child. You're laughing in the garden, I'm lost somewhere in your mind. You got visions of the past, let them follow you down, for they'll come back to you someday.